Okay, we have an Akari-Seiki 4-axis horizontal machining center, model HS450I, serial number 991071. Machine was new in 2011. We're going to run her for you. So, the machine has 400 millimeter pallets, or 15.7. There are two. Cat 40 spindle, 20,000 RPM. The FANUC 31i control. Spindle is running at 2,500. It's very quiet. 5,000. 7,500. 10,000 RPM. The travels of the machine are 25.2 in the X, 24 in the Y, and 26.8 in the Z. That's 13,000. Very quiet. Tool change, there's a large tool change capacity, 120 tools. Do that again. Okay. We're going to do a pallet change. Machine also has dual chip augers and a chip conveyor. Right now we're going to do the pallet change. One more time. We can jog the axes. That's your rotary or B axis. Y. Your X. And your Y. So you've seen your X, Y, Z, and B axes move. You've seen a tool change, you've heard the spindle run, and hey, thank you for watching our video.